What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of FS Skiing. Today we got Dylan, I'm Damon, we got Alec and Luke, and we are at Cascade Mountain, and this is absolute slush weather, warm weather in February. Gotta love it. Our rope is open, so stoke is really high right now. Everyone's having a blast. All right, before we get into the video, this is me editing the video right now, and I just wanted to add a couple things in. So I didn't notice how many clips we actually have at Cascade, but we actually have a lot, so a lot of those are phone clips. But me and the boys, we just went out to Granite Peak and Tyrol Basin, so I'm going to add some phone clips from there that we were pretty stoked on. And then also on top of that, there's more people that are in this video. So we already listed, me, Dylan, Alec, and Luke, but I believe Hayden's in this video. We also have Carsten and Mason. So that's the whole group. That's all I got. So yeah, let's get into this video. Peace.
We're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on my passport. I've been ballin', free my ladies in counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. I just swear we're going down, I don't wanna know it.
We're going up, we're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story. We're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on my passport. I've been ballin', free my ladies ain't counting down. I'm already out, already on the compound. I'ma set it right, already on the compound. I'ma set it right. Backlash, I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, card rubbing on my passport. I've been ballin', free my ladies ain't counting down. I'm already out.
Come in this store. In this store. We're going up. We're going under. There's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me.
We're going under, there's nothing we can do.
Already on the compound, I'ma set it right, right. Already on the compound, I'ma set it right.
It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me.
In this story. We're going up.
Hey, go and ride with me, get high with me. You looking fly with me, go and ride with me. Just vibe with me, get high with me. In the sky with me, go and ride with me, get high with me, turn on with me. We just having fun, man. They tell me I'm the shit, I'm like, duh. Girls on my dick, I'm like, duh. Stupid in this bitch, so what's up? Make the whole damn world, homie, I don't give a fuck.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I definitely enjoyed editing it. I just got done editing, so I'm just about to edit this one, little outro right into that one. It's definitely super cool to see all the tricks that me and all the boys have learned throughout just the past couple months. There's definitely some tricks that we are all pretty happy about, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed that video, and thanks for continuing to watch if you're getting to this outro. And I also just noticed that we hit 200 subscribers, so I just want to say thank you so much for everyone that subscribed. Me and Alec both really appreciate it. I remember when we just hit 100, and that was such a big deal to me. So, but if anybody watches the description, I always say road to 1,000. So, road to 1,000, I feel like we're getting closer and closer every single day. So, thank you for watching. I also forgot to add one more person that's in this video, Carter. So, Carter, you got your little cameo. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Comment down your local hill, like this video, go subscribe. And that's all I got. See you guys in the next video.